Good morning, children. In negative 1, you learnt how to change an affirmative sentence with a single verb, that is, be verbs and have verbs, into negative. In negative 2, I am going to deal with the continuous tense. Here, we shall see how an affirmative sentence with two verbs can be changed into negative. In the first part, you have a be verb followed by the ing form. Let us see how we can change these sentences into negative. Look at the first example. I am reading a novel. You have two verbs here, am and reading. Now, what you have to do is add not after the first verb am. Then the sentence becomes I am not reading a novel. In the second sentence, Raju is sleeping in my room. The verbs are is and sleeping. Now, you have to add not after the verb is. Then, the sentence becomes Raju is not sleeping in my room. In the third sentence, we are going to school. The verbs are and going. You can add not after the verb are and the sentence becomes we are not going to school. Look at the fourth sentence. My mother was drinking tea. In this sentence, the verbs are was and drinking. You can add not after was and the sentence becomes my mother was not drinking tea. Come to the last sentence. Many were playing there. Here you have two verbs, were and playing. You can add not after the verb were and the sentence becomes many were not playing there. So what have you learnt in this part? Remember, there are two verbs in each sentence and you have to add not after the first verb. Are you clear, children? Now, we shall move to the next part. This is the perfect tense. Here also you have two verbs in each sentence and you are adding not after the first verb. Look at the first sentence. I have sent the parcel. There are two verbs in this sentence, have and sent. Add not after the first verb have and the sentence becomes I have not sent the parcel. In the second example, Vani has gone home. The first verb is has. You can add not after the verb has and the sentence becomes negative as Vani has not gone home. Now, let us revise the fourth part. Here you have and has followed by the past participle. You are adding not after have or has and the sentence becomes negative. Are you okay, children, with this? Do well. Thank you very much.